Gonna say, I didn't think you were dead. So today Isaac and I redid the exhaust hangers, got them off the floor and back onto the factory mounts. These mounts almost look like we could get a job at the exhaust shop, maybe. So this is a 10-inch piece of 3/8 bar going through the factory hangers that we bolted back on, and then it's kind of hard to see, but we triangulated it with another bar coming off the top of the muffler. Bent a little crick in there so that it actually hooks into the mount, the rubber isolator. And we did the same thing on the passenger side. And now we're going to go see if all of our efforts have paid off.